Why Facebook video is your affiliate marketing goldmine. Want to boost your affiliate sales? Facebook video is your secret weapon. Seriously, it's engaging, shareable, and perfect for showcasing products in action. Think about it. People love watching videos. It's how we consume information now. What better way to introduce your audience to your affiliate products? By creating compelling video content, you build trust and authority. You become a reliable source. This translates into clicks, conversions, and ultimately, more commission for you. Ready to get started? Let's dive in. So what kind of videos should you create? Focus on your niche. Think about your audience's needs and desires. Product demonstrations. Show off the product in action. Highlight its best features and benefits. Tutorials and how-tos. Teach your audience something new. Solve a problem they're facing. Position the affiliate product as the solution. Behind the scenes. Give viewers a glimpse into your life or business. Showcase how you use the product yourself. Reviews and comparisons. Offer your honest opinion on a product. Compare it to competitors. Highlight its strengths and weaknesses. Testimonials and case studies. Leverage the power of social proof. Share success stories from others who have used the product. Remember, authenticity is key. Be genuine, passionate, and let your personality shine. Facebook offers a variety of video formats. Each one serves a unique purpose. Choose the format that best suits your content and target audience. Live videos, perfect for real-time interaction and Q&A sessions. They build excitement and engagement. Short videos, under 2 minutes. Ideal for grabbing attention in a fast-paced world. Focus on a single key message or tip. Long-form videos, over 5 minutes. Great for in-depth reviews, tutorials, or behind-the-scenes looks. They allow for more detailed information. Stories. Use stories for quick updates, behind-the-scenes glimpses, and limited-time offers. Reels. Jump on trends and create entertaining, shareable content using music and effects. Experiment with different formats to see what resonates best with your audience. Section 4. Crafting captions that convert. Grabbing attention and inspiring action. Your video caption is prime real estate. It's the first thing people see. Use it wisely to stop the scroll and encourage viewers to watch. Start with a hook. Ask a question, share a shocking statistic, or make a bold statement. Pique their interest. Highlight the value proposition. What will viewers gain from watching your video? Clearly communicate the benefits. Include a call to action. Tell viewers what you want them to do next. Visit your website, leave a comment, share the video, use emojis. Add personality and visual appeal to your captions. Don't forget the hashtags, increase discoverability and reach a wider audience. Example, want to learn the secret to benefit? Watch my latest video for number easy tips. Click the link in bio to learn more. Link relevant hashtag. Section 5. Consistency is key. Creating a content calendar that works. Posting consistently is crucial for building a loyal following. It keeps your audience engaged. It also signals to Facebook that you're an active user, which can boost your visibility. Create a content calendar. Plan your video content in advance. This ensures you're organized and consistent with your posting schedule. Determine your posting frequency. Start with 2 to 3 times a week and adjust based on your audience's engagement and your capacity to create. Use scheduling tools. Facebook Creator Studio allows you to schedule videos in advance. This saves you time and ensures your content goes live at optimal times. Remember, quality trumps quantity. It's better to post one amazing video a week than several mediocre ones. Section 6. Breathing new life into old content. The power of repurposing. Don't let your old content gather dust. Repurposing is a smart way to maximize your efforts. Turn blog posts into videos, transform your written content into engaging videos. Use visuals, animations, and voiceovers to bring your words to life. Create video snippets from longer content. Extract key takeaways or interesting segments from your longer videos. Share them as standalone pieces of content. Hit the like button and subscribe. Turn FAQs into quick tip videos. Answer common questions in a concise and engaging way. Use text overlays and animations to make your videos visually appealing. Repurposing saves time and allows you to reach new audiences on different platforms.